Today, we're diving into the Amylove 24PCS Garden Flower Scissors Set, a versatile collection of pruning shears designed to enhance your gardening experience. This set includes 24 pieces of floral shears in two distinct styles, round head and pointed head, offering a total of 12 pieces of each style. The vibrant colors, pink, blue, purple, and dark green, add a touch of fun to your gardening tools while ensuring that you have plenty of options for different tasks. The pointed head scissors measure approximately 8 by 4 inches, making them ideal for precision work, while the round head shears, at about 6.7 by 4 inches, are perfect for more general pruning needs. Both sizes cater to a variety of plants and flowers, allowing you to choose the best tool for each job. Crafted from high-quality ABS and stainless steel, these garden scissors are built to last. They feature a non-slip, sturdy design that resists deformation and breakage, ensuring reliable performance over time. The lightweight, corrosion-resistant material combined with the comfortable grip handle enhances your user experience, making extended gardening sessions more pleasant. Cleaning these shears is a breeze. Just wipe off any sludge with a cloth after use and apply some machine oil to maintain their shine. Keeping the blades clean and dry will help extend their service life. These floral shears are incredibly versatile, suitable for a range of tasks from harvesting herbs and arranging flowers to trimming houseplants and cutting stems, leaves, and branches. Whether you're working on bonsai, picking fruits, or simply maintaining your garden, these shears will save you effort and improve your efficiency. With their delicate craftsmanship and practical design, the Amylove Garden Flower Scissors Set is a fantastic addition to any gardener's toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.